Hello, what's up, guys? It's your boy Chakala on the move. It's another beautiful day, another beautiful hour that I've just met over here at Fathela TV construction site. And today, I think is on a Thursday. Yeah, on a Thursday. Yeah, today is on a Thursday, and we really thank God for the gift of life that He've just given unto us. Actually, today we just wanna deal with I just wanna go deal with the the moram that was dug behind there, the septic. So that I can remove it and just put it in front here so that we can create enough space there for the chicken coop to be set very well. And today I'm just me and go with Masari, and Masari as he's pouring the water at the house as I can do the job. So keep in touch till the end because the video is gonna be amazing and the vibe is gonna be hot. Yeah, so it's another beautiful day. It depends, and welcome back to this amazing channel if you've not tuned in. So keep in touch till the end because the vibe is gonna be hot and the vibe is gonna be amazing. As you see this, where I'm gonna work out too. Yeah. So guys, you can see the plumbers are done with their jobs. Actually, they fixed the pipes and already the pipes now are ready for it to be used to pass the wastage of the toilet. So as you can see, it's already fixed. All of them, actually, all of them are fixed. Actually, all of them are fixed. The plumber did the very best job. Actually, they did a good job. Yeah. So what I want to deal with them is the soil. This soil. You see the soils that are here. This one that are remaining over here, that were dug from the hole there. That are the one that I want to remove them. Actually, that will be the job of today. See, even there, the plumbers have done their good job. Actually, yeah. You can see it's almost done. Yeah. And also our septic tank is fully done, so keep in touch till the end. Yes, actually, I'm just continuing with the work. Actually, as you can see here, I'm digging over there and I'm taking to the other side. So maybe I'm just trying to place my camera actually so that I can show you what I'm doing. If I could just have a stand, I'll just have to buy a stand actually. So I don't know if it's very clear. I need to have a stand actually, so it can be easy for me to record videos actually. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, let me pause a bit. Yes, guys, as you can see, I'm sweating already. This is where I'm taking actually from the other side. I'm moving from the other side to this side. The reason as to why we're just taking the moram from this side actually is because it's over. It has come until to the wall, you see. So it sometimes it can destroy the wall with the mud, you see. So we're just taking it from there to the other side actually, so as to even to make the compound look the same, to levelize the compound even to look the same. You can see the way it looks like. The other side there is a lot of soil, and this side also there is a lot of soil. So that is what I'm trying to do, to make all the compound to look the same actually. Even the tank, when the chicken coop will come over here, it will just look nice. So keep in touch, watch the video till the end because it's gonna be amazing. Let's work out and working out. Yeah, here at Fathela TV. Actually, you're just me with Masari and Fathela TV. So Fathela is just going to look for something. He's coming back actually. So keep in touch till the end as we're just working out here. Yeah. Yes, guys. This is what I'm doing. You know, when you don't work out, actually be lazy. Be lazy. So I have to work out to make my body fit. Yeah. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Wow. There's some. There's some actually. But you need to work out actually till the evening comes. Then I'll just see tomorrow's work also. So keep in touch actually. The problem is that I'm just holding the camera on my own. Yeah, that's the reason. I could have just a stand actually, but I just work out, then I buy it actually. I need to buy a stand actually, so it can be easy for me to record my video. So like for now it's for difficulty. See the difficulty is that I'm holding the camera alone. Yeah. Yeah, so keep in touch with the video till the end, and it's gonna be amazing. Stay strong actually. Yeah, I'm happy actually. I'm happy that I'm alive. I'm happy that everything is going on well. I'm happy that I'm healthy. Yes, I'm just happy. Super happy and thankful for you supporters and the people who are just watching us. Nice one. I'm just trying to put this camera so that you can see how I'm coming. Wow guys, the work is going on actually. As you can see the area now, I'm just trying to remove the soil that was from this septic actually. That's just to see, I just want it to be the same level. You can see there's some heaps already there. I think we're just gonna work on it today till the place that we get tired from, then we'll just pick it from that from tomorrow. So keep in touch. If you have not subscribed to this amazing channel, like I actually start by doing so. Subscribe to this amazing channel and let's move with the move together, because the vibe is gonna be amazing actually. As you can see, yeah, the work is going on actually. I'm just away from there, I'm putting to the wheelbarrow and taking it to the other side. The reason why I'm doing this is because it needs to be the same level actually, because you know the soil removed from inside here from digging where the nanny was to be put. Yeah, so the soil that is remaining here is the one that I'm removing. So keep in touch till the end and watch the video till the end, because the vibe is fire. Yeah, actually guys, you can see from this side I've just been removing this soil, and then I've just removed this one from here. You can see it was just, the soil was just over here. Yeah, I've just dug it, you can see all of it I've just removed, and this on the other side. So the time here is around 12 am 12:30 am, and I think I'm gonna take a lunch break actually. I go and take a lunch. So actually what I was saying is that I'll just go for lunch, but I'll not come back to the site actually to continue the job, because actually today it wasn't that much to do that much actually. I'll just do, because I'm just even alone at the site for today. Actually that is enough. I'm just removing the soil. Even tomorrow I'll just continue the removing. So the work is not that much squeeze so that you can finish today. No, we're just doing bit by bit, small by small, till we finish, because you see I'm just alone, and you know, being alone also, you're working a lot and you're becoming tired quickly. If you could have somebody help me to push or just putting on the wheelbarrow, it could be just okay, but today I'm just alone here, and you can see the work is going on. So guys, thank for the support, and actually for the one who are just watching this video, I really appreciate you, because you're doing an amazing job. Let me just show you a quick around the house, because yeah, it's almost done. Even the septic was done, and the plumber also came and did his good job. So you can see there, he did a very good job. Even the here, actually in general the plumber has done a good job, as you can see. Yeah, so Fathela won't be struggling with the toilet anymore, because it's now done. Yeah, we really appreciate for the person who is really supporting the project. You're doing something amazing. Yeah, even the cleaning we did the other day. So the only remaining part is that the masons will come and also put the tiles down there, and it will be amazing. Even the compound, you can see the reason why I'm collecting that sand over there is that we'll just spread it over here, yeah, to make the compound neat. So you know, even for it to available for you, so that you can plant even grass to look beautiful. Actually, just in general, I can say for the TV project is somehow almost done. I'm thankful for the person who is supporting the project, because you know, this is God. Actually, this is God. You can see even this chicken coop now will just be removed from here to the other side. That's why I'm cleaning over there actually, so that it can be one level. So the chicken coop, this chicken coop can go from here to the other side. Yeah, so keep in touch and also watch the videos. If you've not subscribed and you're just new to this amazing channel, go subscribe, leave a positive comment, and let's be on the move together actually. Yeah, so that has been what I've been doing today, and it's been nice. I told you it's around here 12:30 am, around lunchtime hours. I just want to take a break for today and wait for tomorrow. So I'll just finish with the work today here, and so guys, check me out tomorrow, because also I'll just continue the same video. Yeah, so amazing just being with you from the beginning of the video till the end now. And I really thank you and appreciate God for the gift of life. If it could not be God, actually, we couldn't be here. And if it could also be not God, actually, we couldn't have been moving from one place to another. So it's His mercy and the power that He has. So we really appreciate and salute. And also don't forgetting the subscribers who have just subscribed this amazing channel. I really appreciate for your support that you're giving me by watching the videos till the end, pushing my watching hours. That is something nice that I really appreciate. You've done something nice actually. It's appreciable. Your subscription and your support is highly appreciable and recommendable. So keep in touch, keep on watching my videos. If you want to subscribe, it's for your first time that I've watched this video and also this amazing channel, consider by subscribing, leaving a positive comment. By doing so, something nice. Actually, you by not watching our videos, actually we are not saying that it's bad actually, but you need to just watch our videos actually, in the watching hours. Supporting each other is something nice. If you support me also, and also if you need a support from me also, I'll just do it. So you've supported me. Yeah, so bye, because I'm gonna end my video here right away. So that's nice. Bye, wagwan. Yeah.